Remember all the time someone's there, we now get tricky now. You don't know what I'm going on some side now. The girl them there to you know. You know Christian man, I go back for the girl them again, here to the level. King in America, third edition. Not that far. Girl we have to for real now. Ladies, you know what I'm saying? You're not going to let the girl them out of the thing. Let me tell you, you're famous kid, you know, you're a part of that. So me and you, what the fuck ladies? You know, that little last instance out there. We don't have much time in that place now. You know, we not left for now. Nah, leave for now at all. So maybe them girls have one little kind of vibes and all type of weird like this one. Jesus Christ. We have them telling now, yeah, man.
Man is certain like a key, she said. Man is certain like a key, she said. Man is certain like a key, she said.
We have them telling now.
You know it's Warlord representing for Horain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Yo, Freestyle, one day we're coming to you from Fashion Crave. And you know Fashion Crave is the part, if you want to see the latest in dancehall, the latest fashion, the latest happening, Fashion Crave is the party. So right about now, a party time, one must just sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. But you are going, in the meantime, when I watch the video, them and subscribe. Only if you give the video a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. You know we're out here. Fashion Crave. Boom.
Ladies, I like the amazing. I like the dresses. I like the shoes. I like the accessories. Big up to the girl on here with the real friend. I'm talking about somebody say you're real friend. I'm talking about a girl and I'm not telling a secret because they don't let know each other secret. You think that's it? Big up the girl and celebrate her birthday tonight. All you need to tell the friends that she look good, you know. Are you her friend, a real friend? And I will this. Tune up people right and like a gun. So some bring position, so that's all I'm a sword. Murder nation. Got you. Ladies, can you sing? Keep smiling. Ladies, it's a shampoo is wearing an acid wash blazer and acid wash jeans. And them same ex-girlfriend in here. And them same ex-girlfriend I like you. So shampoo ex-girlfriend, them say we play the party and the song for you. When I miss you, every girl you brush your teeth and you brush your tongue before you come and fashion and create. Ladies, you can sing the party for me now.
When you talk about the Polish, that's how we call it in the winter.
I know the song.
Cheers. Shout out my Pisces female celebrating a birthday tonight. Big up the Aquarius. See you with you. You talk with your friend tonight. You're probably with your man or your husband. Whatever it is. Ladies, what's up? Sing with me. I don't need to love.
Very much further.
After the heart.
I need to go.
Where you don't follow. I'm going back again. Just passion. And run, run. You never know where to go.
Ladies, you ready?
But don't make me go.
What is?
I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my life.
After the heart.
What you tell Entourage? How much money you have to buy gas, girl? We can go a second gear now. You can tell me that you know your shoes is not squeezing you. You can be if you know you're not in good tune here. Ladies, what's up? Make it a party for the girls here. Beat the girl, walk around, you look good, you smell good. Walk around, you look good. Ladies, come on, ready up. Bend that pretty rock star and can the big up. Pure Lounge. Get your hands. Mr. Williams. Ladies, you ready? Just remember. We got to the girl when they go on vacation and they look up in an hotel room. You take out the city. Ladies, can you sing for me? Please don't tell me. You know what I'm talking about? On the scene. What you mean? Beat you. What a party! Who knows?
We must try to ignore and be more than that. What's love got to do with it?
Who can sing that part, yeah?
What's love got to do with it?
So you are one people, the officer is right here and he says anybody that's driving a white Range Rover MBK 7858 you're blocking. So please move that white Range Rover because if you don't move it, the tow truck is going to move it for you. Please and thank you. Officer Nibble.
My heart's on fire. Come to me wild and wild.
Ladies around here, Euro, yeah? Some nice and food to sing out.
You come to me.
ladies, you ready? You see your pum pum? All my ladies, I know they know niggas stretching out for 2026 right now. Make up play some song with the girl and enjoy themselves. No! When the independent girl them there, in the party.
You're good, you're good, you're good, man, you're good. I got you, don't
Listen,
worry.
any girls who remember their front clothes, get up. Ready? I just can't be American stress over man in 26. I'm going. Yeah, some girl in the stressing on their mother, though. Tell me your next thing, King. I'm going. Sing this. You never know them sing this, yeah. You're too rich, kid. You're too nice, we need a top fight. Big up the young lady, you know what's in the morning.
You want to get that down, down for your phone. Remember you see me and your sugar blum blum. Remember you tell me you're not
Not anything me with you tease them as long as you want me.
Why? Today is Sunday. God bless you. Now for you, the Philip crosses, man, here.
Thank you, Jesus. Me get rid of the void. Get rid of the void.
Yeah, some girl they break that fight over man and still get beat up. Go, guys. Afterwards, I want to go try to talk to her and say, what's up? She tell me say she have her man. So I say, hey, you lie, where your man name? She said, brown man, and he fixed her van week. Big up to the girl with your man first and last name. And if you can't run over and you know a social security number, so you can get the money.
Introducing Vanessa Bling.
As gods have seen.
Any girl them will tell them man say.
Whenever,
And the girl them will play for.
heat when me say that pussy hail to the man of the love. Baby, be no man, no other man. Boom, boom, yeah, one man. Boom, boom, yeah, one man. Boom, boom, yeah, one man.
I said, I'm here alone, that's true with the girl them. All the girl them don't say their teeth in the book. I have some permanent teeth and their teeth them big like the donkey in a shirt. Because to the girl them, you don't brush your teeth, you brush your tongue, and you brush your tongue. So if you want your mouth clean, every girl sing that song now. Ladies, this part is yours. Me not play the bad man song now. Let's go, baby. Me and my grandmother telling my sister, said, and I was confused, like, what the fuck is my grandmother telling my sister that? And then me just sit down there one night. Ladies, I see them next to the song you know. That song you know. You know, you see them in the regular, you can be a little bad. Big up that girl and up the secret dress. Yeah, she bad. I don't see a witch girl. Tell her for your friend.
Let me say your body so hot.
Put your leg for your friend if your friend look good. What do you mean?
Let me say your body so hot.
Compliment your friend now, baby. Give your friend a high five.
Everybody out tonight.
Ladies, look on. Let us not be your biggest friend. You are walking up.
Every girl's got a group.
What you mean? Your pretty light button.
Let us not be your pretty friend. You are walking up in the room.
What you mean? Record your friend. Jesus Christ. Yes. Ladies, sing any song you want. Sing any song you want. Sing any song you want. Just like how you record your friend because your friend look good. Big up the girl and stay good in your clothes. Every girl come. Inna the niggle, every girl inna the niggle. Inna the niggle, every girl inna the niggle. Inna the niggle, every girl inna the niggle. For your clothes and I keep by feel now. Inna the niggle, every girl inna the niggle. Inna the niggle, every girl inna the niggle. What a many girl that pretty in a party. And the girl nice now. You see you, you see you, you see that bending, you see that bending, you see that bending. Give me like, give me like, give me like, give me like, give me like. We don't give me any Polish. And again. 1, 2, 3, go. Set to the baby. Set to like the ice in the freezer. Then my brother's going to get back on the set. DJ Kid and Antaraz, we rep myself and going to think of from April, Fashion and Brunch. See, big up to every promoter, everybody on there. Big up yourself. 5 more minutes. Well, I see them coming from afar, perpetrating war. No matter who they are, we born bad mind. Everybody when they are celebrating a birthday tonight, if you're in a real bumper look at one day, you say if you have an issue with somebody, don't go to everybody else and complain to everybody else and say you have an issue with that person. Approach a person in one way, respectfully, have a conversation, have a resolution, and start out things. But you have some people that go to everybody else in the world except the person that they have problem with. That means that people will hear you, and not ginger ear, and not ear selassie, and not ear a real bumble clad ear. know what people of the party they come to the spring. Stefano Basho, I don't know person of problem is a So man respect for the second time tonight, representing our mama and representing you young sister, the one we bring to you. It's here to the answer.
Yes, the man from the house. You know, say I can't represent the DJs to the dance. But if you know, say the church is finest. One of the roughest and the toughest them down here. Hear that? I was a DJ.
Check.
Yeah. When I said to you, you know how I know.
Fashion cream. Yeah, we want the party and our entourage. I be about to select a book for the party, but we just want to play a whole heap of girl song. I want them to do that. You know how I really play the fun man song. I want to play a whole heap of girl song, so the girl can dance and dash out. Big up the girl about a little coach. What are your pom-pom knee shirt? I want them to get up on the wine and up to the beat. Big up the girl over there. last night. See, people, here on this I'm going now. A red Mercedes-Benz you are blocking. License plate is KSS 9740. If you know you drive a red Mercedes-Benz, please go move your car now. If you don't know, they will tow that shit in a second. So if you have a red Mercedes-Benz, move your car. Look here! Look how my man got them slip down, I can't tell you.
Let them call police, man. Them can't stop the crime.
Everybody want them to see what they are in the now. And they say, no. Bump up your head. Turn up the microphone, bump up your head.
You know who we go get. I mean, you're the crib, you're the girl, you see, no friend. He wanna water out and I got money mountain. They get me first girl when I was around. They get me go college and when I get me mountain. Me enjoy the life, party.
All I know is that the pussy them don't like you. But we have the money, we're alright in a life. Put your big up in the sun, get the pussy them.
The sake of us, baby, one on the left down. Never rebel down, we miss the rebel down.
Put up your finger there. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Now when we look at us, I'm supposed to take my next and then the life is
Rolling this time.
when I see my friends become my enemy, I am
All who the bad man, raise your gun up to this guy and sing.
cause I know that the art can't sweep with room. Yeah, I like the truth and
You like the answer, right?
Bad man, salute. R.I.P. to a real killer. R.I.P. to a real killer.
What the gun on them there?
R.I.P. to a
Jonah
real
B, what go on there, sir?
Real killer, real
Street smart.
Statue of a sweet better. Make it one me like rhythm from a beat.
You miss my friend.
Somebody of it there. You feel better. Kids it. Who the last friend of me now? You are running ready. Who think you're up, see?
Legend! Jesus Christ, why you partying up a full of so much woman? Any woman like girl, they already know what I mean already. Daddy, big up yourself. Any woman come and very partying and they're going to your body man. Any woman get ticket and body man. All of the girls up here, your ticket are ready for party, come now.
Someone was sharing girl, one of them brother, you think she just a fucking all out when you get it. You put a shirt on me, weird, you put a mirror, you look at my fucking shit.
Every girl is so there. The girl is there. Me love what this go. Which part? Hey, come here. You know you're my bitch, you must go. Every day I sit up my money now. Sit down, sit down, sit down. I never did play. When the girl can move off cocky now, every girl start. She want the boom back. But that bullshit. Oh, the same attitude like last night. Sit down, Pablo. Hey, you're skinny, yo. Jesus, yes.
Everywhere. I'm in him everywhere.
You feel easy, go half an hour, turn up the microphone, that's going on now. April 11th, remember some King in our party, you know, say good. You understand? Remember Fashion and Brunch, April 5th. You know, Easter Sunday, no work, no me memorize the date them. You understand? Remember Naughty, March 8th. You understand? Remember Mr. Chin party on March 29 also. You know, we book for that one day. See, remember next week Friday, a big breeze party. You understand? April 25th, you know, in Jersey. Life is good. You understand? Remember Weber Chin. April the 12th, Weber Chin. You fly up. You know yourself. Me know that song, I know that song, I'm back song. So, I'm going to go and tune and do the right thing. Yeah. But I can't go around and back. Turn it on, yeah. So, we know what we say. Back to the girl. Ladies, look at the sing for me. Sing for me, sing for me, sing. No finger, girl, I'm a roll with me. Big up all the New York clubs here for me. Sweep up the place now. All I know is that everything will be for an original. Boss a black for yourself right now. Boss a black for yourself now. Boss a
One to the final.